Hey everyone, welcome back to my ethical hacking journey. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Windows 11 on a VirtualBox as a part of my ethical hacking practice. So let's jump into the Google first and type Windows 11 download and go to the official website of Microsoft. Under this, I need to find an ISO file. Here you go. So this is the file I'm looking for. And go for the multi-edition one and confirm. It's gonna take a couple of time, so we're gonna select the product language, gonna go with English United States, confirm, validating the request. So it's gonna take some time, so I shouldn't refresh the page. So verify the download. 64-bit, yeah, that's the file we are looking for. Since I have already downloaded, so it's creating a duplicate file. So we're gonna just wait for a minute and then we're gonna reinstall. Has been downloaded. Let's go to the Oracle VirtualBox. We're gonna create new. We're gonna give the name as Windows 11. We're gonna select the other, so go to the downloads, the one which we downloaded, click on open. So we're gonna give VM user and create the password. Repeat the password and hardware disk. The base memory I'm gonna give around 8 GB. So to speed up the performance of the, I'm gonna give the processor up to 6, and the hard disk I'm gonna make it 100 GB. So and finish, and the VM is starting up, so just give us a second. Yeah, as you can see, Windows 11 is running on VirtualBox, so we're gonna maximize it. Yeah, we're gonna press any key. Yep. Yeah, so I don't have a product key. If you have a product key, you can install, but I don't think so. So it doesn't require any product key for icon. So just wait, just be patient when you're installing Windows 11 on or any software on virtual machine, so it's gonna take a bit time, so just be patient. Just looking for disks. Yeah, it's installing Windows 11. Your PC will start several times. This may take a bit time, so I'm gonna leave it for here, and once it is 100% complete, I'll come back. So Once the Windows is installed, it's gonna pop up like this. So I have given my host name as a VM user, so just wait until it gets logged in. All you need is, like, when you install Windows 11 on a virtual machine, it's gonna take a bit time. Just be patient. And that's it. We are successfully installed Windows 11 on a virtual machine. So things are getting started. So let's first change the view. Screen mode, switch, and if you want to maximize this, so uh, click on view. Oh, sorry. So click on input. Sorry, devices, insert destination. Go to this PC and click on guest editions. Go to run AMD 64. And next, next. And it's asking to reboot now, so we're gonna finish and then let's see. So let's see. I want to locate, like, in a maximized mode of Windows 11 in a virtual machine. So let's wait. Okay. Yeah, it's showing still. Please wait. Yeah. So now I just want to show the Windows has turned on. I just want to show that how I want to maximize this the mode. So go to the view full screen mode, and I'm gonna switch it, and that's it. We have successfully installed a Windows 11 in virtual machine. So if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any difficulties facing issues while downloading Windows 11, drop a comment. I'll try my best to reply back at earliest convenience. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video.